So we have Mohit Suri, Vidya Balan and Imran Hashmi, and of course the film जब ऐसे तीन कलाकार हों डायरेक्टर इतना अच्छा हो तो फिल्म तो ब्लॉकबस्टर हिट होनी ही है, right मोहित?
Well, that is a very good introduction. Who would mind an introduction like that? But no, actually, I think more than anything else, we've gone there with our hearts to make the film like this. और ये ऐसी फिल्में है नहीं जो हम लोग अक्सर लोग सोचते हैं कि आओ चलो इसमें धंधा कैसे करते हैं, हिट फिल्म कैसे बनाते हैं, एंड आई डोंट थिंक एनीवन, इवन माय प्रोड्यूसर्स हैव बीन दैट वे विद मी.
पर ऐसी कोई कहानी है जो आप लोग की अधूरी रह गई? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट रिलेशनशिप्स, बोथ ऑफ यू ऑल, थ्री ऑफ यू ऑल एक्चुअली हैव सक्सेसफुली मैरिड नाउ, बट ऐसी कुछ कहानी है जो अधूरी रह गई है, कुछ दिमाग में अभी अधूरापन रह जाता है, ऐसे कुछ?
आई थिंक एवरी स्टोरी समवेयर कहीं ना कहीं हर कहानी को अधूरी रह ही जाती है. आई थिंक कोई कहानी, आई मीन वन पर्सन आउटलिव्स द अदर पर्सन, और वो बट यू डोंट स्टॉप लविंग दैट पर्सन. एंड आई थिंक वो as I said, stories have an end but not love.
आप दोनों ने कभी ऐसी कोई कहानी अपने सामने देखी हो which you actually wished कि काश they should actually, this story should have a very happy ending but it didn't? कभी ऐसा आपके साथ लाइफ में कभी आपने सुना हो? या
I don't think you ever seen after girl and boy meet what happens after that. I think
नहीं, फिल्मों में नहीं, मैं रियल लाइफ बोल रही हूँ.
पर मेरे एक दोस्त हैं, he and this other girl have tried to be together but they're disastrous together and still they can't be with anyone else because they're madly in love with each other. So I think kahin na kahin wo, I don't know whether they'll get married to some other people or how it's going to play out, but they're also not good together. So but there is an adhuri kahani there. It's crazy.
It's crazy. Any story that comes to your mind?
Yeah, I think for my life, or even from people I've known around me, it might not just be like a traditional love story. It could be the concept of soulmates, people who come and touch your lives. It could be a platonic relationship, but that you're the best version of yourself when you're around that person, and it's a fantastic relationship or a friendship. But it has a tragic end because things die out, and you just look back and feel like those were happy times, and your life would have been a lot better if you had reached out to that person and it wouldn't have had such a tragic end. It could be a relationship, and everyone has been through their seasons of relationships in their lives, and each one you can't wish them away, even though they're tragic. They define you and they make you the person that you are today. But thankfully mine has been a complete love story, and I've gotten married and it's been like 9 years now. So, and we've known each other 4 years before that, so it's been almost 12 years since I've known her.
No, 9 plus 4 is 13.
13 years.
I'm terrible at maths. So yeah, it's been a long time, and yeah, it's good.
ओके, लास्टली ऑफ कोर्स आजकल नया ट्रेंड देखने मिला है कि हर एक फिल्म को ज़्यादा प्रमोट नहीं करते हैं, सेलेक्टिव प्रमोशंस होती हैं. जैसे पहले स्टार्स यूज्ड टू गो ऑल आउट, सो इस फिल्म के साथ वैसा होने वाला है कि सेलेक्टिव प्रमोशंस है और यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू गो ऑल आउट?
Well, I think that is more decided by what the producer wants to do. But I don't think ये ऐसी picture है जो we can go out caricaturizing the kind of content that it is. I mean, हम लोग जाके डांस करके कॉमेडी करके ये ऐसी पिक्चर है नहीं. द बेस्ट वे टू प्रमोट दिस फिल्म इज़ हम ये पिक्चर लोगों को दिखाएं एंड लेट द फिल्म टॉक फॉर सेल्फ. देयर इज़ नो बेटर वे टू प्रमोट दिस फिल्म, एंड आई थिंक मोर देन थिंकिंग और skills or anything else, there's more heart in this film, and that's what the actors, the producers, everyone has put into it, और वो ही लोगों को दिखाना.
That'll be a big relief for both of you. क्योंकि आजकल प्रमोशन
I also think that nothing we say will bring in people actually, because
theaters,
people are loving the trailer and they want to see how the story unfolds. So I don't think we'll be able to do justice to the film in words like this in interviews or on shows. So we should keep it
low and be happy until the film.
We are extremely happy.
No, I really feel that it's your first communication, and the visuals of the film and the content that your film pitches to the audience, that they pre-decide if it's something they want to watch or they don't want to watch. Now, if they don't like it, I could stand here and give you the best interview in the world and keep harping about a film that no one has picked up and said that yaar bakwas hai. And I could spend 20 days promoting a film on all GECs and reality shows and go dance my heart out. But if they've not liked your film, those 2 hours are going to be an ordeal, and they've pre-decided it and they won't go see your film. So I like this trend now that the film works for what it is, the content, and it just calls out to you. So you don't bulldoze people into the hall if you've got that keeps us on our toes. So, yeah.
Fine. On that note, thank you so much and all the best for the release. Thank you.
very much.